In spring of 2017, two great horned owls nested in the Eberwhite woods and successfully raised two owlets. Great horned owls don't build their own nests, they use nests from other animals, usually old red-tailed hawk, crow, heron, or squirrel nests. The Eberwhite great horned owls used an old squirrel nest high up in an oak tree. Notice how it is made of a lot of leaves.
The owlets destroyed the nest as they got bigger, so a group of Eberwhite kids built and installed an artificial nest for the owls to use the following year.
The owls visited the artificial nest a lot, but didn't lay any eggs this spring. Maybe they kept visiting the nest to mark it as their territory and make sure nobody else took it over.
And one day, after one of the owl's nightly visits, a squirrel checked out the nest. This might not end well.
Luckily for the squirrel, the owl stopped visiting once she started building her own squirrel nest.
The squirrel babies haven't emerged yet, but we wanted to put together the nesting videos we have before school ends.
Squirrels are cute!